Okay, looking at number 5. Box your letter. Draw your line. Now what?
Plus 15.
Plus what?
15.
15's on the opposite side.
12.
You gotta add 12 to both sides. So off to the side I have negative 15 plus 12, which gives me what? What is it?
3.
Positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative 3. The 15 is larger. Different sign, subtract. Keep the sign of the larger number. Okay, so negative 3 is equal to A. Number 6. Box your letter. Draw your line. Now what?
Plus 12 and 12.
Plus 12 on both sides. So I'm left with negative 23 plus 12.
Negative.
I don't want to keep it change because it's already a plus.
I know.
Different signs, subtract.
You subtracted?
When they're different signs. So Blake, see how this is a negative and this is a positive? When they're different signs, you have to subtract. So 23 minus 12? 11. Is it a positive 11 or a negative 11?
Negative.
Negative. 23 is larger. So M is equal to negative 11. Okay, number 7. Box my letter. Draw my line. Now what? Minus 1 on both sides. So I'm left with R is equal to 9, because 10 minus 1 is 9. And number 8. Box your letter. Draw your line. Add 12 on both sides. So I have negative 6 plus 12. Same or different signs? Different. Negative 6, positive 12. They're different. So what do you do when they're different? Subtract. So 12 minus 6 is 6. So V is equal to 6. And it's a positive because 12 is larger.
Isn't it 6 equals B?
You can write it either way. You can write it either way.
Oh.
It's a Y?
It's a V. Alright, let's look at number 9. Box your letter. Draw your line. Now what?
Plus 20.
Plus 20. Make sure you're taking the 20 that is on the same side of the K. So I'm left with K is equal to negative 20 plus 20.
0.
K is equal to 0. Alright, let's look at number 10. 11 plus X equals negative 7.
Negative.
Box your letter. Draw your line. Now what?
Negative 11.
Subtract 11 from both sides. So on the side, I should write negative 7 minus 11.
18.
Keep, flip, change,
Sorry.
which is going to give me what? Same sign or different signs?
Different sign. Same sign.
Same signs. There you go, Blake. So 7 plus 11?
Yes.
Negative 18.
Negative 18.
Yes.
X is equal to negative 18. Alright, number 11. Box your letter. Draw your line. Now what?
Negative 1.
Subtract 1 from both sides. So X is equal to
20.
20. It's a positive 1, Blake.
Wait, what about equals change?
You don't have to.
You don't need to because it's not a subtraction problem.
Oh, I get it now.
21 minus 1, that's just like you did in 3rd grade. You don't need to change anything with that. Don't make it harder. The bigger numbers first, just subtract them. So X would be 20. Okay, number 12. Negative 23 equals N minus 4. Box your letter. Draw your line. Do what?
Plus 4.
Plus 4 on both sides.
Minus.
So I have negative 23 plus 4. Same or different signs?
Different.
Different.
Different. So what do I do? subtract. How are they the same, Kimmy? It said negative 23 plus 4. Different signs. So I gotta subtract. So 23 minus 4? 19. Positive or negative 19?
Negative.
Negative 19 is equal to n. Number 13. Box your letter. Draw your
Can
line.
you put plus on that one?
Okay, this one you gotta do keep, flip, change because it has that negative with that number.
Can't you also power plus it because
That's the same thing as keep, flip, change. Yep. So the same thing.
So it's gonna be negative 1.
So then you need to subtract 1 from both sides. So n is equal to 5. Alright, let's look at number 14. Box your letter, draw your line. Plus 4 on both sides. So I have negative 9 plus 4, which is, yep, subtract.
5.
Positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative 5 is equal to x.